ingredients, no oven, no protein powder, and every piece has 8 grams of protein. If you don't believe me, stay right here because this fudge is about to change your snack game. Let's make it. First, take a clean bowl and add 6 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. Today I am using the crunchy variant because I absolutely love that extra bite. Next, add 130 grams of dark chocolate. This combination is pure magic for a healthy dessert. Now, to melt this, you can easily use a double boiler, but I am taking a quicker route and using the microwave. The big secret here is patience. I will be melting this in short 30 seconds intervals. Do not rush this step because we want to make sure the chocolate does not seize or burn. Every 30 seconds you need to take it out, give it a good stir and check if it is fully melted. By the way, if you want more easy, healthy and guilt-free recipes just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Because I use crunchy peanut butter here, you can beautifully see that peanut pieces starting to peek through that glossy chocolate. It looks incredible. Once it's fully smooth, keep it aside for a couple of minutes. While it cools slightly, let's prep the mold. Take a tin or any glass container like I did and grease it with a little bit of oil. I am lining mine with the parchment paper so it pops out effortlessly later, but it's completely optional. Now transfer that rich velvety fudge mixture right into the container. Tap couple of times to remove any air bubbles. Close the container with its lid and place it in the fridge to set. It's that simple. Mine was perfectly set in just 2 hours. After it is set, gently demold it, cut into your desired sizes and look at that texture. Go ahead and enjoy your homemade no-bake high-protein chocolate fudge. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who love chocolate and drop a comment below if you are making this today. See you in the next one.